Hello and welcome to lesson 3 of our maths lessons. Today we're going to be solving division word problems, so you'll be able to understand rucksack, also use rucksack to solve word problems, and even solve division word problems independently. Kind of like our lesson on Monday, but this time we're using division. Right, here we have rucksack. Can you remember what letter has been covered up and what it means? Have a think. We've got 5 of our letters, but 1 is missing. Talk to someone in your house, tell them what's missing and what it means. Did you get it right? The letter that is missing is S, and S means to solve. Solve the problem. Well done if you remembered that from last lesson. Okay, today we're going to be solving division word problems. So all the word problems you get today will be division. So the first thing in rucksack is to read. So let's read the first word problem. Kian has 16 football stickers. He shares them between his 2 friends. How many stickers do they get each? Next part, understand and underline. So it's some important information. He gets 16 stickers and he shares them between his 2 friends. Shares is an important word because that is one of our division words. That's how we know it's a division sum. Then we've got to choose our calculation. So we have chosen a division one, and it's going to be 16 divided by 2, or 16 shared between 2. So we've got to get the answer. So I would draw 2 groups and share 16 between the 2. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I need to count up how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 shared between 2 equals 8. Now, the last part of rucksack is to check it. So to check it, we can do the inverse, which would be 8 groups of 2, or 2 groups of 8. Now, you can check it by counting up in 2s or drawing it out. So I'm going to count in 2s 8 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We were right. Well done. Okay, we've got another word problem here. So the first thing we have to do is read it. So Lottie has 15 sweets. She shares them between 5 children. How many sweets does each child get? Next part of rucksack is to understand and underline. So there's 15 sweets. She's sharing them, so we know it's division, between 5 children. So our calculation that I'm going to choose is 15 divided by 5 equals. Now I've got to try and solve it. So you could use equal groups, or you can try and use a number line. So I'm going to try with a number line. Oh, that's a very bad number line. Let's try that again. Yours will be much better than mine. So here's my straight line. That's better. I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to get to 15 by counting in jumps of 5. So we would have 5. There's my first jump. 10. 15. How many jumps have we done? 1, 2, 3. So my answer must be 3. Now we need to check it. So this is where I can use my inverse. So I could have 5 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 5. Either way is fine. So I'm going to do 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to put 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now to count these up, to make it quicker, I'm going to count in threes. So we've got, with the first bubble first, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So we were right. Well done us. Okay, here's one to try by yourself. So I will read it for you to help, and then I'd like you to pause the video and have a go. So it says, Katie has 20 dolls. She shares them between 5 of her friends. How many dolls do they have each? Give it a go, use rucksack to help you, pause the video and come back once you've finished. Okay, I hope you gave that a really good go. Let's do it to check your answer. So we've got to underline our information. Katie has 20 dolls. She shares them between 5 of her friends. So our division sentence will be 20 divided by 5 equals. So I need 5 circles. I'm going to use equal groups this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to share out 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I need to count how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 shared between 5 is 4. They get 4 dolls each. Well done if you got that right. So for today's activity, it's a bit like Monday's. I would like to have a go at some division word problems. Year 1 children, try and complete 3 word problems. If you're up for a challenge, go for 5. Year 2 children, definitely go for 5. And if you're up for a challenge year 2, try and complete them all. Good luck. Okay, to finish our lesson, can you remember, what does each letter of rucksack stand for? I would like you to either write it down or tell someone in your house what rucksack stands for, what each letter means. Pause the video and go and tell someone. Did you get it right? So the R stands for read, the stands for understand, the C stands for choose, the S stands for solve, the A stands for answer, and the last C stands for check. Well done if you remembered all of those. Well done for working hard today in today's lesson. Have a look at the next slide to see what I'd like you to do tomorrow. So tomorrow's activity is a bit of multiplication and division. So if you want a challenge, go for the red chili pepper. If you think you're confident having a good go, have a go for the yellow chili pepper. And if you want a bit more practice, have a go at the green chili pepper. Good luck.